How to Start a Hair Business in 2026, the complete step-by-step guide. The global beauty market continues to expand in 2026, and the hair industry remains one of the most profitable segments for new entrepreneurs. If you are researching how to start a hair business, this is the right time, but only if you approach it strategically. With the growth of e-commerce, influencer marketing, and private label manufacturing, learning how to start a hair business has become more accessible than ever. However, accessibility also means stronger competition. Customers now demand premium quality, transparency, and strong branding. If you want to understand how to start a hair business successfully in 2026, this guide provides a structured roadmap covering market research, supplier selection, branding, marketing, and long-term scalability. https://then-anhr.com/how-to-start-a-business-in-2026/ Hashtag how to start a hair business. Hashtag how to find a good hair vendor. Hashtag list of wholesale hair suppliers. Hashtag hair extension business.